Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating and thought-provoking question. Should humanity give up on Earth and start over on another planet? It's a question that feels like it comes straight out of a science fiction movie. But with climate change, pollution, and the challenges we face on Earth, it's something people are starting to think about more seriously. Let's explore the arguments for and against this idea. First, let's think about why some people believe humanity should consider leaving Earth. One of the main reasons is the growing concern about the environment. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and the loss of biodiversity are all major problems. Some scientists warn that if we don't take action soon, Earth might become less habitable for humans. For these people, starting over on another planet could be a way to ensure humanity's survival. Another reason to consider leaving Earth is the potential for global disasters. Events like asteroid impacts, massive volcanic eruptions, or even nuclear war could make Earth unlivable. By colonizing another planet, humanity would have a backup plan in case something goes terribly wrong here. It's a bit like saving important files in two different places. You're protecting yourself from losing everything. Space exploration also excites people because it represents progress and innovation. Colonizing another planet like Mars would be one of humanity's greatest achievements. It would show how far we've come in science and technology. It's also about curiosity. Humans have always been explorers, and the idea of living on a completely new world is incredibly inspiring. However, there are strong arguments against giving up on Earth and moving to another planet. First of all, Earth is our home. It's the only planet we know of that can support life as we know it. Moving to another planet like Mars would be extremely difficult. Mars doesn't have breathable air, liquid water, or the kind of atmosphere we need to survive. To make it habitable, we'd need advanced technology and billions, if not trillions, of dollars. Even then, life on another planet might never feel as comfortable as life on Earth. Another argument is that we shouldn't give up on Earth so easily. Many of the problems we face, like pollution and climate change, are caused by human activity. Instead of abandoning Earth, we could focus on fixing these problems. Renewable energy, reforestation, and reducing waste are just a few ways we can help restore the planet. By working together, we could make Earth a better place for future generations. There's also the ethical question of whether we have the right to colonize another planet. What if that planet already has life on it, even if it's just tiny microbes? Colonizing it could harm its environment and disrupt any ecosystems that exist there. Some people argue that we should respect other planets and focus on taking care of our own instead. Another challenge is fairness. If we started over on another planet, who would get to go? Space travel is incredibly expensive, and it's likely that only a small number of people, probably the richest or most powerful, would be able to leave Earth. The rest of humanity would be left behind to deal with the problems here. This could create even more inequality and division. So, what's the solution? Should we give up on Earth and start over, or should we stay and try to fix the problems we've created? Like many big questions, there's no simple answer. Both sides have valid points, and it's a decision that would affect all of humanity. Perhaps the best approach is to do both. We can continue exploring space and developing the technology needed to live on other planets, while also working to protect and restore Earth. Space exploration could teach us valuable lessons about sustainability, which we could then use to solve problems here. For example, scientists studying how to grow food on Mars are also finding ways to grow crops in harsh environments on Earth. Another idea is to use space exploration as a way to inspire people to take better care of our planet. Seeing images of Earth from space reminds us of how small and fragile it is. It's a beautiful, unique home, and we have a responsibility to protect it. By combining our efforts to explore space with efforts to heal Earth, we can create a brighter future for everyone. At the same time, it's important to think about how we can make life on Earth more sustainable. This means reducing our impact on the environment, supporting renewable energy, and finding ways to live in harmony with nature. It also means working together as a global community to solve big problems like climate change and poverty. In conclusion, the idea of giving up on Earth and starting over on another planet is both exciting and challenging. While space exploration offers incredible possibilities, Earth is our home, and we shouldn't give up on it. By balancing our efforts to explore the universe with our efforts to protect our planet, we can create a future that's both adventurous and sustainable. So, what do you think? Should humanity focus on leaving Earth, or should we put all our energy into fixing the problems here? This is a big question with no easy answers, but it's one that makes us think about who we are and what kind of future we want to create. Thank you for listening, and let's keep the conversation going, whether we're talking about Earth, Mars, or beyond.